Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. As you can see, I'm trying to open a website but I'm facing this site can't be reached issue. It's showing internet access for me but this website is not opening. So what I'm going to do is try opening another website to check the internet connectivity. I'll open google.com. So google.com is working. Now let's try youtube.com. This is also working. Okay, so this seems to be an issue with the particular website only. The second thing you have to check if the website address is correct or not. Like for example, I'm trying to access LinkedIn website, but by mistake I have added the letter K at the end of the URL, which is actually a wrong URL of the website. So if I just remove the letter K and hit enter, the website opens. So properly check if the address you are typing is correct. If that doesn't work, let's try the next method. Next we are going to check is if the website is working on another device or not. Try opening a website on your phone, iPad or any other device which has proper internet access. If it's not working there also, that means there's some issue with the website. Might be a server issue. And if it's working there, we are going to move to the next solution. Copy the same link and try opening it in incognito mode. Click on these three dots and open new incognito window, or you can just press Ctrl Shift and keys. Paste the link and check if it's working. If it's not, let's try a different method. The next thing you're gonna do is try opening the website in a different browser. What if the browser has some issue in accessing the same website? So I'll copy this link and open it in a new browser. So it's not working here also. If this method is also not working, we'll move to the next one. Try clearing the browser cache and cookies. Click on the three dots, then go to settings, then privacy settings. On the right hand side, click clear browsing data. Under basic tab, only select cookies and other site data. Select the time range as all time. Now click on clear data and restart your browser. Try opening the website again. If it's still not working, let's move to the next method. Open command prompt and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Now restart your browser and try opening the same website again. Still not working? Let's try another solution. If you are connected to any VPN connection, try disabling it for a while and then try opening the website. Or if you have not connected to any VPN, try connecting the same and open the website. Because this website in the country might have been banned, so try with a VPN. If it's still not working, you can just check if you are connected to any proxy server or not. Go to settings and type proxy. Check if you are connected to any proxy server. If you are connected, then disable it and try opening the website again. So these are all possible methods you can try. If it's still not working, you can just comment down below. Thanks for watching.